Okay, today I'd like to walk through the virtual machine of school on the Vulnhub. To save the time, I've already imported into the VirtualBox, and also I have already identified the IP address of the virtual machine, which is 192.168.43.254. And also I have already done the Nmap scanning, which is comprehensive scanning. And from this scanning result, we can see the target has 3 ports open. 22, which is SSH, and obviously this is not vulnerable at this point. And the second port is 23. It will be running over telnet service. And the next open port is 80, which runs HTTP. Okay, so maybe we can start our emulation from port 80. Okay, let's fire up our browser Firefox. We input the IP address of the target. Okay, so simple. Oh, sorry, maybe this is a cached page. I needed to refresh. Okay, this is the web page of school virtual machine. And from this, we need to be authenticated. So maybe we need to first try some weak passwords and the username. Admin, and try to log in. Okay, username or password is incorrect. So maybe we can use to see whether we can use the login bypass technique to log in. To see whether it works or not. Login. Okay, cannot work. Maybe admin or and login. Okay, haha, we successfully bypassed the login authentication mechanism. So what is going to be doing? So maybe we can see the source page, source code of this page to see whether we can get some interesting information. Let's quickly have a look. JavaScript code, nothing useful here. Okay, also we can see the manage account, manage user. Or maybe we can try this URL to see whether it's working or not. Maybe we can paste it here. Okay, so administrator passroom. Oh, what's this? ID type password. Okay, we needed to check the source code again. Okay, here, another URL, asset uploads, important. Okay, good. Important. There is comment, and this may be web shell. Okay, we copy and in here to see whether it's working or not. Okay, not found. It's okay, no problem. And we scroll to the bottom. Yeah, we have another comment, and this is the URL. We try to input this URL here. Oh, great. Another function which is invisible. And from here we can see we can upload the image. Okay, maybe we can just put some random information. Test.com contact JSON 1. Test, nothing important. Okay, maybe we can upload the shell PHP code by this function. So how to do? We just copy to this one, and we need to change the IP address to our Kali Linux. So not here, yeah, here. And my IP address is 2006, and we can change port 555, or maybe you just leave as it is. It doesn't matter at all. And right and quick. And the next step we need to do is upload this shell PHP. We find our working directory for this virtual machine. School, yeah, here. Open and save. Oh, data successfully uploaded. So this function doesn't have any file filter mechanism. We didn't change anything. We just upload the simple shell PHP code. And now, but where the file stores? So where does this shell PHP locate? We need to find out. Maybe we needed to do directory scanning. And we can use Combuster. And we can use the directory, Combuster directory. Okay, good. Oh, Combuster has already found out many files, but I think we are targeting the directory. Okay, maybe here. So we could try to visit this directory. Okay, assets. Okay, we can see the several subdirectory maybe in here, uploads directory, subdirectory. Oh, you can see, maybe this file is our reverse shell PHP code. And now, next we need to do is to set up the listener. And we head over to this file and just click this file. Yeah, we are able to successfully get the reverse shell from the target virtual machine. Check the ID, and we make this terminal interactive. Spawn the bash. Okay, good. Now where are we? Okay, maybe we can go to the home directory. Okay, go to the user. Okay, we get the first, I think we get the first user flag here, local. Okay, great. Now we go to the another home directory of user to see whether we can find other information. Okay, nothing. Okay, so maybe the next step we are going to do is to get the root shell. So we can upload the name pairs script, shell script. Okay, maybe we can do this in the next video, and to see whether we can get the root shell and the root flag. So thank you for your watching and the time. If you like it, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.